Need to update your Wise password? Here's how to do it safely. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner to go to settings. Now scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Here you can see an option for password. Tap on it. Now type the current password and enter the new password you want to change to. Tap save and Wise will confirm your password has been updated. If you are logged in on multiple devices, you might need to sign in again with the new password. Forget your password? Tap forget password on the login screen to reset it via email. How often do you update your passwords? Let us know in the comments. And that's it. Your Wise account is now more secure. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.